I'm a tiny little baby in Mama's cozy room, kicking my booging and giggling inside her gentle womb. When Mama starts dancing, I dance along and cheer. Bounce, 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 I'm the happiest baby here. When Mama drinks water, I splash like wee! A tiny tummy swimmer, look at silly me. When Mama eats mango, I wiggle side to side. Yummy, yummy goodness makes me do a tummy slide. When Mama starts talking, I bop my little head. Her voice is like a drum beat bouncing in my bed. When Mama is resting, I stretch my arms and toes. Growing strong and happy, that's how my body grows. I'm waiting for the moment when she holds me close and tight. Till then I'm dancing daily,